Hey guys, what's going on? Lucy here. So today is my time to show you. I just got a Nokia 5 from my cousin. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's the phone with fully working condition, but it has one problem, which is the battery a bit swollen. So that's why the screen a bit pop up. But still can touch, display still working, can use as per normal, but battery not last at all. Even your battery is full, it's still after several minutes of playing, without playing game, just using normal usage, then it died. So that means I need to replace the battery, then problem solved. So before I'm going to show you the inside, let's take a look at the phone. This is black silver color, black for the front part, silver for the body. Very solid phone, very beautiful design. Yeah, of course it's a Nokia. Wow, a flagship design, a flagship quality. Really solid, seriously. It has a dual SIM card and one SD card, 3000 mAh for the battery. It has a fingerprint. This phone was released in 2017. So press the button. This is the lock screen. This is the home screen. It runs Android 1 Pie version. Let's go to setting. Slide down, system, about phone. Slide it down. Android version is Android Pie. Very nice. Very smooth. I really like the UI and I really like the animation. Very smooth. Everything is fully working. No problem at all, except like I said just now, the battery is swollen. Just need to replace, then problem solved. I'm so happy. I really miss my Nokia 2.1 that I sold back in 2019. Really sorry. So before I end this video, you can give feedback. For this, I just got a Nokia 5 from my cousin. In the comment below. So this is all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.